How are we doing, guys? You okay? Thank you for all your messages regarding cocktails and everything, and you did very well in a few margaritas I saw posted at DM'd me. Today for the Easter weekend, I thought I'll do a French 75 with a twist, but I'll do it on the outside because it's nice and sunny and get into the spring summer feel to it, even though with all this isolation. This one's for Ching, who DM'd me. She said she likes the champagne cocktail a bit dry, a bit more lemony. So I'm doing a twist on a French 75 with a bit of Lychee Liquor in it. So first of all, you'll just need a wedge of lemon juice. Throw that in there. Find your favourite gin, which is, mine is the Monkey 47. Want a shot of that. And after a shot of that, you want some Lychee Liquor. Alright. And after that, you want to balance it out. So you put a bit of lemon juice like last time, you want to balance it out with a bit of sugar syrup. I've just put this in a little tonic bottle for easy use. And there you are. And that's your mix. Shake it over ice. Let it all drain out. Whilst that's doing that, open your champagne bottle. Bit of nice champagne. Shall we do a loud pop or a silent pop? Let's have a look now. Loud pop. Way! Just a bit of champagne there. Okay. So what we do is, we then strain it in. There we are. Like so. There's your French 75, as easy as that, with a twist with a Lychee Liquor. Happy birthday, Ching. This one's for you.